Hi, today we're going to look at how Jamboard can be used as a digital whiteboard to be shared with students and also collaborate and basically be used as a whiteboard that can be seen by everyone, and so you can be writing on it and doing all sorts of things on it. So let's take a look at this. So let's first of all go to Jamboard as we have it in our Google Suite. Open a new tab. So Jamboard can be found in the waffle. Here it is. And so to create a new Jamboard, we can click on the plus at the very bottom, and it's going to come up. So you can see it's a very basic whiteboard. There's a few things that we can do with it. We can change its background. So if we want to add a grid, we can add a grid. We can add a blackboard. So different things that we can do here. Then we have some tools along the sides, different types of pens. We can erase. So let's pick a marker. Let's make it blue. And then we can write. So right now I am just using my scroll pad to do this, which is a little bit cumbersome, not super easy, but can be done. You can also add notes. So let's add a sticky note. So test Jamboard. Right, and let's make that one blue to match my color here, font there. Let's move it. We can move it around. We can stretch it. We also have some options to edit, duplicate, and delete. So let's just leave that there. All right, so we can do all sorts of things. We can also share it just like we could with any other Google Doc or Google Slides. So we share in the same method here. But where it becomes a bit more functional is if we have the app on an iPad. So let me just show you my iPad. So there it is. There's my iPad. I'm just going to go into the apps. And in my apps, I have Jamboard. So when I click on Jamboard, I need to make sure that I'm signed in with the proper account. And I am. And here's the one that I created just now. So I'll just click on that one. It'll load, and there it is. It's on my iPad right now, so as I draw on there, you can see that. But where it gets a bit more interesting is here. So let's go QuickTime. Just quit that. So now we're just looking at Jamboard opened on my computer. I'm working untethered on the very same file on my iPad. So I could write my name. And there's a little bit of lag between what I write on the iPad as opposed to what you see on the screen. But the only person that's really going to notice that is if you're looking at both at once. But it becomes much easier to either write with our fingers, or if we have an Apple Pencil, we can also draw with that. So it's another way of presenting that makes it quite a bit easier by using a really simple app that's free for both your iPad, and you find it in your waffle in the Google Suite. So it might be something that you want to make use of. So that's Jamboard. Give it a try.